Friends, in the previous class we discussed about the dimensional analysis and the applications of dimensional analysis. There are three applications of dimensional analysis. First one is to check the correctness of a equation. Okay, equation correct idilla anta check madlikke ನಾವು application na ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Second one means to derive the relation between the physical quantities in order to derive the equation. We are using the dimensional analysis. Third one is to convert the unit of a physical quantity from one system to another. Okay, we are convert that Newton into dyne. Newton is the SI unit of force. We are convert this Newton into dyne. Dyne means it is also unit of the force, but in a CGS system. CGS system alli ನಾವು force ಗೆ unit ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, dyne ಅಂತ. Okay, to convert ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ we are using the dimensional analysis. Okay, in the first application, that is to check the correctness of a equation. Okay, check the correctness of equation alli one example nodire, that is x is equal to ut plus half at square anna complete aitu. This is over. The second example is half mv square is equal to mgh. Okay, check the correctness of a equation. Half mv square is equal to mgh, where m is the mass of the body, v is the velocity of the body, g is the acceleration due to gravity, h is the height. Okay, now first we are writing the dimensions of each term. Okay, we are neglect the numerical number and neglect madi. We are neglecting the numbers, numericals. First we are taking the mass. M means mass. Again mass means m1, l0, T0, because there is no length and time. Velocity. Velocity means displacement by time taken. Therefore, m0, L1, t to the power of minus 1, because this t goes to numerator, it becomes minus 1. T to the power of minus 1. This is the dimensions of velocity. Acceleration due to gravity, velocity by time taken. Velocity means again L by t divided by t. Therefore, L divided by t square. Again, m0, L1, t to the power of minus 2. If minus 1 is there, this is velocity. If minus 2 is there, acceleration. Alva? Minus 1 anta bantu andre velocity. Minus 2 anta bantu andre adu acceleration. Okay, substitute another one is, that is height. Height is measured in length. Alva? Naviga 10 meter height anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, 10 kg anta ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? We are not saying the 10 kg. We are measuring the height in terms of length. Therefore, m0, L1, t to the power of 0. These are the dimensions of mass, velocity, acceleration due to gravity and height. Substitute all these dimensions to the equation 1. Okay, half. We neglect the half. What is mass? Mass means m1, L0, T0. V square. What is the dimensions for V? V. m0, L1, t to the power of minus 1. V square. Square anta baribeku horagade. This is V. This is V square is equal to m again. m1, L0, T0. Okay. Because mass single is there. Gravity means acceleration due to gravity. m0, L1, t to the power of minus 2. H, height. Height means m0, L1, T0. Okay, in LHS, see m1, L0, T0. Here, multiply this power. 0 into 2, 0. Then L to the power of 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2 is equal to. Here, in 3, this is the product now. Illi product ide, multiplication idrinda base, if the bases are same, if the bases are same, add the powers. Here 1, here plus 0, here plus 0. Okay, next L to the power of 0, here L to the power of plus 1, L to the power of plus 1. T to the power of here 0, here minus 2, here plus 2. Okay, now in LHS, here also product is there. Product ide. Therefore, if the power bases are same base ittu andre powers anna add ಮಾಡಿ. m to the power of 1 plus 0, L to the power of 0 plus 2, t to the power of 0 minus 2 add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಪವರ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ. Here also m to the power of 1 plus 0 is 1. L to the power of 0 plus 1 is 2. T to the power of 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. In LHS, 1 plus 0 is 1. L to the power of 0 plus 2 is 2. T to the power of 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Is equal to m to the power of 1, L to the power of 2, T to the power of minus 2. Okay, then LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, m1 L2 T to the power of minus 2. Here also m1 L2 T to the power of minus 2. Then according to principle of homogeneity, this equation is dimensionally correct. Okay, ಈ ಥರ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, first write the dimensions on both side of an equation. ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಈ ಥರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದ ಪವರ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. This is about the second example for first application to check the correctness of a equation. Okay, second application is to derive the relation between various physical quantities. Okay, we have to derive the relation. Okay, ಯಾವ ಥರ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ physical quantities ನ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. For example, okay, the period of a simple pendulum, you know that one, that pendulum is there, no? ದಟ್ ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೋ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ ಥರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೋ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೆಂಡುಲಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್. And also it depends on the acceleration due to gravity, because simple pendulum is vertically suspended ಅಲ್ವಾ. therefore oscillations ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ vertically, horizontally ಅಲ್ಲ. okay, there is a vertical suspension of the simple pendulum, hence the gravity takes place in this case. This time period depends on the length as well as the acceleration due to gravity, that is g. obtain the expression for the time period. okay, ನಾವು ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, obtain the expression for the time period by using this dimension. how to derive this, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? first we have to write obtain an expression for time period. okay, we want time period. This time period depends on, the time period of the simple pendulum depends on means directly proportional to length of a pendulum to the power of x, because we don't know the dimension ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗಿನ್ನು. so for that we are take it as a unknown ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, that is x in general. okay, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಹೌ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಟು ಲೆಂತ್, ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್. then this pendulum is time period is also depends on the acceleration due to gravity, g, but we don't know the dimension, that is y. this is general. we don't know what is the value of x and we don't know what is the value of y. okay, we have to find out what is the x value, what is the y value. for that time period is equal to, in order to remove this proportionality constant alva ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, t is directly proportional to time period of a simple pendulum, it depends ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, l to the power of x ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. in general x, because ನಮಗೆ x ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. then acceleration, it depends on the acceleration due to gravity, g to the power of y. x and y are the dimensions, unknown dimensions, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, we don't know the value of x and y. in order to remove this proportionality ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ t is equal to proportionality ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ k ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, where k is called constant, proportionality constant ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. l to the power of x, g to the power of y. okay, now we have to write the dimensions on both side. ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ m0 L0 t to the power of 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಲೆಂತ್, ಮಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು k ಇಂಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ m0 L1 t to the power of 0. gravity here to the power of x is there, this is length L to the power of x. gravity m0 L1 t t to the power of minus 2. This is the acceleration due to gravity. The dimensional formula for acceleration due to gravity is m0 L1 t to the power of minus 2. Here to the power of y is there. ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ t1 m0 L0 t1 k as it is. For length L1 m0 L1 t0 to the power of x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ನಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದರೆ m0 L1 t to the power of minus 2 to the power of y is there. Now m0 L0 t to the power of 1. Okay, here k. We have to multiply this power. Power multiply ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ 0 into x is 0. L to the power of 1 into x is x. Here t to the power of 0 into x is 0. Again here m is there. 0 into y is 0. L to the power of 1 into y, y. T to the power of minus 2 into y, minus 2y. Just multiply the powers. Powers ಅನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have the product here. m0 L0 t to the power of 1 is equal to k into, if the powers are, if the bases are same, add the powers. Powers ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, in LHS m0 L0 t to the power of 1 is equal to k into, okay, if the powers, if the bases are same, m, okay, multiplication ಇದೆ, bases are same ಇದ್ದಾಗ powers ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿ, 0 plus 0. If bases are same, L is there, L ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, therefore x plus y, add the powers. If t is there, here also t, here also t, t to the power of 0 minus 2y. Then next step is m0 L0 t to the power of 1 is equal to k into m to the power 0 plus 0 is 0, L to the power of x plus y, t to the power of 0 minus 2y is minus 2y. Just compare the bases on LHS and RHS. Just compare it. Here also m, here also m ಇದೆ. Powers ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 is equal to 0. Okay, just compare the powers. Here L is there, L is there. ಇಲ್ಲೂ L ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ L ಇದೆ. Just compare the power. In LHS, L has the 0 is equal to. In RHS, L has the x plus y. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಪವರ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ಪವರ್ಸ್. LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ 0 ಇದೆ. ದೆನ್ RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ x plus y ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ t to the power of 1 is there. Okay, 1 is equal to, here t to the power of minus 2y, because they are equal, powers are equal. According to that equation we have this one. Then here 1 is equal to minus 2y ಇದೆ. Therefore y is equal to, this comes to LHS ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ minus 1 by 2. Okay, this minus goes to LHS and this product is become divide. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore y is equal to minus 1 by 2 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ minus 1 by 2ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ minus 1 by 2, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ y. 0 is equal to x. what is the value of y? minus half. therefore this comes to LHS. LHS ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ plus half ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. it comes LHS, it will become plus half. We have the y is equal to minus half, x is equal to plus half. Substitute these values in equation 1. Equation 1 means t is equal to k into L to the power of x, g to the power of y. Therefore t is equal to, the value of k is 1, proportionality constant value is 1, k is equal to 1 into L to the power of, what is the value of x? half. Then g to the power of y means minus half. Okay, then t is equal to, this 1 by 2 can be written as square root ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? ಓಕೆ, 1 by 2 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಇಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 1 by 2 ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ, ಹಾಫ್ ಬದಲು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಟೋಟಲಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ ಬೈ ಜಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪೆಂಡುಲಮ್, ಲೆಂತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ. This is regarding the second application, that is to derive the relation between the various physical quantities.